Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up direct deposit in Paylocity. So if you want your paycheck deposited directly into your bank account, then just follow along. First, sign into your Paylocity account and open the pay section and select direct deposit. Then choose add account, and after that enter your bank's routing number, your account number, and whether it's a checking or saving account. After that, review the information carefully before saving it. Some employers may require additional verification or approval before the new direct deposit becomes active. And once approved, future paychecks will be deposited into the account you've added. So that was how to set up direct deposits in Paylocity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.